Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how Nodle is creating universal passive income. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. With Nodle Cash App version 3, you can earn cryptocurrency on the go. It's never been easier to get cryptocurrency. Users of the Nodle Cash App can make passive income from anywhere at any time. This happens when users let their phones process a very small amount of data so it can connect to other IoT devices. Imagine that as you go about your day and pass Internet of Things devices like scooters, fitness trackers, smart light bulbs, etc., your Nodle app uses a small amount of low-energy Bluetooth to send information to each device in a secure way. In return, Nodle gives you something called Nodle Cash. Just get the Nodle Cash app and you can start making money in a few seconds, making it easier for the next billion users to use cryptocurrencies. Some people think that by 2025, there will be 55 billion connected devices. These need power to work, and Nodle thinks that the world's 6 billion smartphones are the solution. By making the largest infrastructureless mesh network, Nodle can power IoT ecosystems even in places with poor connectivity and give cryptocurrency to network contributors. So Nodle Chain is the largest Polkadot relay chain network. More than 320,000 wallets have been made on-chain. It doesn't need any personal information from its users. The only goal is to make sure that IoT devices and sensors can use the network as much as possible. Soon, they will give developers of Layer 2 apps data that will help them make new services that use the Nodle network and have the most secure encryptions. You don't need an email address, a phone number, or an authentication system from Apple, Facebook, or Google to log in. Nodle doesn't want to know anything about its users, and the app was made with privacy in mind. It uses different methods of randomization to make sure that the node made by the app stays anonymous. In a world that is becoming more and more connected, this is a huge chance for you to help them provide data and insights that will improve business efficiency and solve important global social problems. Nodle is building the world's biggest decentralized wireless network to connect things that couldn't be connected before in a way that is private, safe, cheap, and good for the environment. You can earn money while helping to build the next level of connectivity. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.